guys, welcome to Smoke Sessions. I'm Anita Hsu. This is my brother Howard Hsu, and today we're going to be doing some grilling techniques so you can master your flavor at home.
We are with our very good friends, the Home Depot, Masterbuilt, and Kingsford Charcoal. And today we're going to focus on one of my favorite techniques, which is roasting. Kingsford Charcoal brings the flavor of the kitchen to your backyard. And we're going to show you how to make the best of it from these veggies for our baba ganoush. I'm going to go ahead and get the eggplant started. Brush it generously with some grapeseed oil. And before I take it over the grill, I actually like dusting it with some yellow curry. Then we're going to transfer it over to the grill and give it a nice sear. And now we're going to bring the temp to about 450 to roast them until the eggplant starts looking like it's collapsing. Now that the eggplant has come off the grill, it's time to scrape out some of the flesh into a strainer. Now we're gonna scrape all this beautiful eggplant back into our mixing bowl. So while she's helping me, I'm gonna start stirring it until it becomes a nice, consistent, creamy paste. All right, so now we've got our baba ganoush. We're gonna let it sit here while Anita gets our fried wontons going.
I'm going to take my wonton wrappers and I'm going to deep fry them till they're brown and golden.
We're gonna garnish the baba ganoush. All right, let's taste this, Anita. What do you think?
I love how smoky the eggplant is. It's so good.
I roasted that eggplant perfect, didn't it? Well, thanks for joining us, guys. Make sure you go to your local Home Depot, pick up a bag of Kingsford Charcoal and a Masterbuilt Gravity Series. We'll see you guys next week.